Hey there, my name is Godswill, and on this channel I break down PLC programming using Studio 5000 in a way anyone can understand, from ladder logic to real-world automation. So let's learn and simulate and also grow together. So on this video I will be talking about organizing tasks, programs, and routines. So I really appreciate you for coming this far, and please, if you could just like and subscribe to my channel, I would really be glad to keep motivating me to create content like this to help anyone who needs to understand these things. So moving forward, we're going to create a new file from our Logics Designer. So this is the Logics Designer development environment where we write our logic. So we're going to click on New, and a window pops up, and the project type says there's Factory Talk View and there's Logic. So we're going to select Logics because we want to, that's where our tasks, our programs, and our routines reside. So we're going to look, I'm going to choose the L75 controller, and I'm going to create a name for our project and call it tank fill. So if you notice, Studio 5000 automatically adds the underscore, to show that this is a project file. All right. So another window pops up. It asks us for the revision. So we'll leave it at 31. And in this project, I'm going to use a 7-slot chassis, and our controller will be on slot 0. So I'll click Finish. All right, so we are here at our Logics Designer for Tank Field project, and if you're wondering where the controller organizer is at, so this is where the controller organizer is at. All right, so today we are just going to be looking at tasks, programs, and routines. If you come under main program here, you're going to see the main routine. So this is actually what we will be working with today here. So in Studio 5000 and also in RSLogix 5000, code is executed based on how the project is structured or organized. And that's where the routine, the program, and the task come in. So we're going to start with the list of these three, which is the routine. All right, and the routine is a container that actually holds the executable code, and it can be programmed using ladder logic, function block diagram, sequential charts, and structured text. Okay, so and routines can actually run these like these programming languages, can run them seamlessly in the same program. So that's the beauty of routines. So once you start a new routine, you need to choose what program language you're going to be using, and this also depends on your experience level and the requirements for the project or application you're building. All right, so basically a routine just helps us to program different parts of the application we are developing in the most appropriate language. Now we're going to look at the programs, and a program is used to group related routines in a data. Now if you're wondering where the program is, so this is the program, the main program here, and it's used to group related routines. It's used to group related routines. It's used to group related routines here. So if you notice, the main program right here is marked with a kind of flowchart icon, and that icon actually shows that, yeah, that's the program. That's the program running. All right, so the program actually provides a simple way to identify related items, especially when you need to troubleshoot your program. And just like I said earlier, it groups all the routines related to that process together. So you could group it maybe based on location, or based on a product type, or maybe based on a function. It all depends on what you are programming. In the main programs section, we have program scope data, which can only be referenced by routines in the same program. And then we also have controller scope data, which can only be referenced by routines from the controller. Next we have here is a task, and this task is to schedule programs. Once a task is triggered, it executes all its programs. So programs are under the task, and the task executes the programs in the order that they are displayed. So in a short while, I will be showing you how to edit some of these aspects, some of these features here. And there are two types of tasks. We have the continuous task, and we also have the periodic task. So to explain further, a continuous task actually runs all its programs until the periodic task is triggered, and it is marked by a circular icon. I'm going to illustrate that to you. While a periodic task is executed based on time, just as the name implies, periodic, it has to do with time, and it interrupts the execution of a continuous task. So that's just how those are the two types of tasks, and the periodic task actually depends on the priority level that has been set for it. So just to review from the top, a routine, like I said, is a block of executable code, and the program contains a group of related routine and any data or tasks. And the task section is a mechanism for scheduling programs. So that's about it for this first section of the video. And please, I really appreciate you for watching, and if you found this introductory video helpful, please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe for more simplified PLC lessons using Studio 5000, so that we keep learning and keep building. And I'll see you in the next one.